Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I am Steph and today we are playing with the Gone Rogue palette from Lois Cosmetics, UK indie brand, and she looks like this. So if you would like to see how I created this look using the Gone Rogue palette, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first dipping into Misfits, this pink here, and I'm going to use that one to round out the shape, kind of like the transition in the middle kind of colour. It's a pretty colour, very pretty colour. So mostly just placing at the moment. Little wiggles. That's a nice pink. Yeah, quite liking that. Next I think I'm going to go into a little bit of Underdog, this purple here, just to softly blend out the edges a little bit, just to add a bit more dimension to that colour. I think actually I'm going to go back into that Misfit, the pink, and just blend it back into that. Just, I'm not sure if that muddied it up a little bit. No, I'm actually quite liking that colour. I like how vibrant that is. I really like how vibrant that is. I know it looks a bit of a mess at the moment, but I promise you it's going to come together. The next colour I'm going in with is this purple here, Nonconformist. And this one I'm going to be placing in the crease and the outer V, to add a little bit of depth in there. That is a beautiful dark purple, absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. It's blending into that pink really easily, really easily. I'm really liking this. Yep, I think they were right to be raving about this. Yeah, Yeah, I'd say I'm pretty happy with that. Those colours are so vibrant. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Yep, loving them. So I think what I'm going to do is bring, oh sorry, I'm going to bring a bit of that dark purple Nonconformist just under my eye a little bit there at the edge. And then just with the brush that I used for the pink, I'm just going to, no extra product, just going to use that to buff out the bottom a little bit there. Use a tiny bit of that pink. It's a little bit too faded for what I wanted. Something quite dramatic, but I wanted to do something a bit different as well. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Okay, so next I'm going to go with the shimmers. I'm going to go in with Outside the Box, this green. I've been dying to try it, so I am going to spray it because I don't want any fallout. Got hair on there. Get the lid off that. Make a mess, as you do. And I'm going to give that a spray. And then we are going to pack that on. Oh, that is stunning. Wow. Wow. Just taking it above the crease there, it's where I've got the hooded eyes. I want it to show up. Oh, look at that colour. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. And a little spray, and we'll go in on the side. Oh, I can't get over how beautiful this colour is. I just had a feeling that this was going to be amazing. And I've also got a feeling this might actually dupe out the alien colour in the He Who Shall Not Be Named's alien palette. I'm going to have to test that theory. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. I'm just going to, with that dark purple Nonconformist, just go over the edge of the green just to kind of mesh it a little bit with the rest. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Oh, that's so perfect. I was going to go over with the glitter, but I am loving this green way too much to put anything on top of it. So just going into the outer V there with that dark purple a bit, just to deepen that up. I'm just tapping there a little bit just to create just a little bit of a blend. This green is amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with the green. Wow, I'm really happy with that. I really don't see the need to put anything else on there. I'm just going to finesse that edge a little bit. Yeah, I'm loving this eye look. Really loving it. So I'm going to nip off camera, finish my face, and then I will come back with you to discuss my final thoughts on the palette and show you the final look. I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so I'm back with the final look. What do you think? I am so happy with how it came out. I am loving it. This palette, oh my god, this palette is amazing. These colours, they're so pigmented, they blend so well. The only thing I'm a bit disappointed in is that I didn't get to try the glitter today, which was the plan, but this green, I couldn't cover it up. So, but wow, look at those. I cannot wait to play more with this palette. It is so good. So good. And Lois Cosmetics is a UK indie brand. So impressed. So impressed. I can't wait to see what else comes from this brand. Really excited. For the rest of what I have on my face, I just went in with the Essence Long-Lasting Eye Pencil in Go Green in my waterline. And mascara is the Barry M, that's how I roll. Liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. Blusher is from e.l.f. in Brilliant Mauve. The highlighter I used was from Makeup by Lisa in the shade Pearl. This is also what I have on my inner corner and brow bone. Love it. The lipstick is from Melt and it is in the shade Tomboy. And the lashes I have are from Makeup by Lisa in the style Raving. They're my favourites. I love them. So yeah, final thoughts. Well, it's not really final thoughts, is it? So yeah, first impressions of the Gone Rogue palette from Lois Cosmetics. So impressed. So impressed. What a beauty. So yeah, that is it from me for today. If you've liked this, please give me a thumbs up, like the video. It really helps me out. If you're not subscribed already, I hope you'll consider sticking around. And I do a lot of looks like this, bright, colourful. So if that's your thing, then please join in. So thank you again for being with me today. I will see you again very soon. Goodbye.